didn't have a racquetball racket, so we are now leaving. Or actually, we're on the bus. You couldn't tell. The driver just got off, so now we're gonna sit here and wait for a second. So I'm gonna do a quick update since we're waiting. Let's see. So I got up this morning on time, I guess, about 4:30. Oh, look at this. We got a tour coming through. Got all these bright young faces. Won't be bright for very much longer if they come here. Won't have any rackets to play racquetball with. And I'm just kidding. That's actually the first time that happened all semester, so it's pretty weird. Anyways, we showed up there, changed, and then asked for a racket, and then there was no racket, so we left. On our way back to Midtown to do some work. Anyways, we got up this morning, went and worked out. We were supposed to do a bit of work on the stock list app this morning. Needless to say, I didn't get around to it. I actually did a lot of researching on music and different apps and trackpads or launch pads and stuff like that, the Ableton software. Then I got looking at, or I think I looked up Angular again, and I was looking at how they're using it for, or how Angular is used for on the Ionic framework to build the web or mobile apps and stuff. Anyways, then I remember seeing a thing on Angular's website where you can build it for, or use it for all devices, so desktop, mobile, and web. Anyways, I couldn't remember. I didn't know how they did it for desktop. So then I looked it up, and then I reread about Electron, which is the GitHub basically compiler, I guess, for turning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript into a desktop application. Wow, that's pretty extensive. It turns out that Atom, the text editor, is actually built from Electron, and then Franz, the messaging app that Caleb got me onto, was built in that, and a number of other things. And at the moment, I'm actually trying out a couple different browsers, one called Min and one called Brave. Those were built on Atom. They're going pretty well so far. Then I found this other music software built from Electron. Basically a kind of a keyboard synthesizer you can use it for, but you can also use any of the Ableton Push or the Launchpad devices on it, so that's pretty sweet. Anyways, there's just so much to learn and research and get into that it's pretty overwhelming, really. Anyways, I had 462 class this morning and didn't pay attention to any of it. And then had lunch at the UC, then came back, did more research, and then had 402 class. We had presentations again, so I didn't really pay attention. And then, what else? Basically just that. We had an interesting meeting after senior design with me, Vasu, Philip, and Scott. Well, we've had a bit of a change or a bit of discussion with the MEs yesterday. They're wanting to
now
make
approaching
changes.
Thornton Center.
That's the announcement. We're coming to the Thornton Center, in case you were wondering. Anyways, they're wanting to make a few changes. They really are our changes. We don't think we want to do that. In terms of we only have 4 weeks left. So we're just going to try and work it out to where we don't have to make that many changes, but it all still, looks like it works in the end. So, yeah, that's where we're at. Very good day so far, other than no racket, which is the catchphrase for the day. But other than that, learned a lot. Going to go get some work done for senior design, hopefully. And then maybe go see Caleb later. I'm not sure. They have scouts later tonight, so alright, I'll check you later. Alright, we're going to get a late night session in here. Actually, it's not really that late. It's only 8 p.m. But I don't think I've done a session in my room in a while. Since a couple days ago. Anyways, after we got back with Vasu, changed back into my normal clothes, or my daily clothes. After no racquetball. And then stuck around. I was going to go see Caleb today, but he was a bit busy again, so I didn't swing by. He's got code stock again at the beginning of May, so I should be able to help him with that again. That'd be sweet. He said he has something else in July, but I didn't get the dates or times for those, so I'm not sure about that yet. Other than that, I spent a couple hours working on senior design stuff. Refactored most of the Python code that we're using for the different modules, the motor, valve, and sensors. Got those a bit structured better. Returned those. Got it set up to work into the main pretty well, and then should be able to test that tomorrow when we have all the devices and stuff. Anyways, when we get it hooked up to the Raspberry Pi. But then, yeah, it was actually pretty good. Now hopefully I'll talk to Philip, see if we can get a bit of a. Well, my real question is, I'm not sure if he's going to be able to actually call Python functions in code from a Java program, so we might have to see if there's a way or figure out a way to do some JSON passing in between the two things. I don't know, it's going to be pretty weird, right? Hopefully we don't have to write to a file and then read back from it. Oh, that'd be awful. Anyways. That's about it. And then went to Boy Scouts. Had a good chat today about personal management merit badge. Talked a lot about savings and investing and money management, so that was good. They seemed to enjoy it pretty well. Stayed pretty on topic. And I headed back over here to home. It's same as always. Just keep looking at all this stuff I need to sell, but then I'm not here that much, and I just keep forgetting about Craigslist. Is really because the Let Go is not doing that well, and eBay is not good for these dressers and stuff that I'm trying to sell. So Craigslist will hopefully be a little bit more to scale and local. So that's the plan for the future. Supposed to do a bunch of work today, but didn't get a lot done. But alrighty, I'll see you tomorrow.